Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, today I've been trying to sit there and do this recipe for a while, but we're in a tropical heat wave, and this heat wave doesn't seem to be wanting to leave. And I really want to get this video out, so we're gonna trudge right on. It can't be Christmas in July without Christmas cookies. That's right. Now, before we go any further, I had my mother write out the family recipe on my little piece of paper here, and I want to sit there and let you all know this recipe has been in my family since 1937, and every single year we always make my grandpa's Christmas cookie recipe. Oh boy, this recipe has so many memories. I want to give you a little word of caution. Now, I believe it makes 16 dozen cookies. Alright, I have all the ingredients all set up. So, let's go ahead and let's get started. I'm going to sit there, go ahead and add my sugar. So let's go ahead, add our shortening. And I'm using the butter Crisco shortening. Let's add the baking soda. Add salt and vanilla. So let's go ahead, add that. And lock our mixer into place. We're going to put this on low, and we're just going to cream the sugar into that shortening. We're going to get all that baking soda, the pinch of salt, and the vanilla all mixed in and incorporated into. Well, that looks creamed, so I'm just going to turn my mixer off. And we're going to now add the eggs. And we're going to mix that all in. That's all mixed in. Now, we're going to sit there and slowly add our flour, and we're just going to lightly mix it. No over mixing it. Sprinkle. Now I always like putting down some powdered sugar instead of flour. Now I have some of my dough. Let's roll that all out. Now I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar over the top, just as I've done here. We're going to sit there and give it a little pat. I'm going to grab what we know as the husband beater, and we're going to roll this out. Now I have my cookie cutter, and I'm not going to cut out what you would traditionally do at Christmas time. I just sat there and grabbed one of my summertime cookie cutters because we're in the dead heat of summer and we're doing Christmas in July. So I have my cookie cutter. Dip it in flour. You're gonna want to then come up and commence cutting them all out. Now, in my family, we try to get as much as we can out of our dough, because the more that you play with it and stuff, the tougher your cookies are gonna get. So I'm just gonna continue to cut out my cookies with my flour cookie cutter. And then I'm just gonna set these on a cookie sheet till I have a full cookie sheet full. Okay, I got my cookies all cut out. I'm just gonna remove this extra dough. I'm gonna set it off to the side. And then I'm just gonna come with my food mover and we're just gonna sit there and put these cookies all onto our cookie sheet until we have a full one. And we're gonna put them in a preheated 350-degree oven and we're gonna bake them for 12 minutes. Well, here's our Christmas in July Christmas cookies. I went ahead, I decorated them. Now, all we gotta do is wait for Santa Claus to come. And you know the old saying, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Now, if you liked what you saw here today for our Christmas in July video, go ahead, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And y'all come back now, you hear?